going to quickly review how to do box plots in our reteach lesson for lesson 16.3. A box plot gives you a visual display of how data are distributed. Here are the scores Ed received on 9 quizzes: 76, 80, 89, 90, 70, 86, 87, 76, 80. Step 1, you're going to list the scores in order from smallest to biggest or least to greatest. And that's what they did over in the box on this side, smallest all the way to biggest. Identify the least and the greatest values, so the smallest or the least value, the biggest or the greatest value. Identify the median. So you're going to cross off numbers on each end. You're going to identify the middle number. If there is an odd number of values, the median is the middle value. Step 4, you're going to identify the lower quartile and the upper quartile. If there are an even number of values above or below the median, the lower or upper quartile is the average of the two middle values. So over here, between or below the median, so we have 70, 76, 76, and 80. We're going to cross them out, and our lower quartile is 76. Our upper quartile, we have 86, 87, 89, 90. We're going to cross them out, and here is our upper quartile. You're going to draw a number line that includes the values in the given data. Notice our smallest value is 70, and our largest value is 90. So our number line has to start a little bit below 70 and has to go a little bit above the 90. So they started at 68 and counted by twos. You can't count by ones, your number line would be way too long. So counting by twos is a good, small, equal interval, starting at 68 and ending at 92. You're going to place the dots above the number lines at each value you identified. So here's our least value, our lowest number. Here's our highest number. Here is our median. Here is our lower quartile. Here is our upper quartile. Then you're going to draw a box starting at the lower quartile. You're going to go through our lower quartile dot. You're going to do a box and go up to the upper quartile. You're going to complete that rectangle. You're going to draw a line through the median as well. Here is our box, and these are considered our whiskers. So these are also called box and whisker plots. Using the data at the right for numbers 1 through 5, complete each statement. Here are your values. So the first question, number 1, list the data in order. So you're going to put these numbers in order from smallest to biggest. You're going to identify what the least or the smallest value is. Type that in here. You're going to identify what the biggest or the greatest value is. You're going to type that in here. And don't forget to type your numbers in order from smallest to greatest for number 1. Number 3, you're going to find the median or the middle value. You're going to list your numbers in order from smallest to biggest. You're going to cross off numbers on each end, and whatever number is left in the middle, that is your median. Then you're going to identify the lower quartile, and you're going to identify the upper quartile. You're finding the median or the middle number of the values below the median, and the median or the middle value of the numbers above the median. Then finally, you're going to draw a box plot with your 5 pieces of data. Your first dot will be your smallest value. Your second dot will be your greatest value. Your third dot will be your median or your middle number. Your fourth dot will be your lower quartile. Your fifth dot will be your upper quartile. Once you have your 5 dots placed, as in right up here, you're going to draw your box from your lower quartile to your upper quartile dot. Don't forget to draw a line through your median and extend your line out from the lower quartile to the smallest number to make this whisker, and extend your line out from your upper quartile to your greatest number or your biggest number to make this whisker. Once again, you can always look up top here to figure out and help you through your steps.